find the subtraction of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Today we will learn with regrouping. Exercise 4.4 contains subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping, means with borrowing. How to take borrow and how to subtract the numbers. With this example, I will show it to you. At first, the question what they will ask, find 73 minus 35. Means we have to find the subtraction answer. At first, by seeing these numbers, we have to make a column. How many columns I have to make? I have to make a column of 2. Okay, 2 columns we have to make to write the numbers. Next, first place means first box we have to leave to write the places. Which are the places? Ones and tens place. 2-digit numbers we are having. Next, these dotted lines for borrowing. While in addition, we given dotted lines for the carry. While in subtraction, to take a borrow, we will make a dotted lines. Then we have to leave 2 lines to arrange these numbers in a column, and the last to write the answer. Okay. First, what we will do? We will write the places. Which are the places? Ones and tens place. Next, we will arrange these numbers in a column. First, 3 in the ones, 7 in the tens, 5 in the ones, 3 in a tens place. Next, what we have to do, children? We have to subtract these numbers. Here, which is the minimum end? 3 is the minimum. Can we subtract 5 in 3? Means we are having only 3. You are having only 3 chocolates with you. Is it possible to give 5 chocolates to anybody? No. Why? Because you are having only 3 chocolates with you. You cannot give 5 to anybody. So what we have to do in this case means we have to take borrow, carry from the next place. Which is the next place here? Tens place. From tens place we have to take 1 carry, otherwise we have to take 1 borrow. Okay? By taking carry, what happens? We will take 1 carry from the tens place. By taking 1 carry, now we will get 13. Means here 1 10 which is equal to 10 ones. Isn't it? From taking 1 carry means 1 from the tens we will get 10 ones. 10 plus 3 is 13 ones. Now what we got? 13. Here by giving carry 7 lost 1 place. In total 7 we already took 1 carry. So what the remains here? Which number remains here? 6 remains. So we have to make this 7 as 6. Why we make this 7 as 6? Why? Because in the tens place we took 1 carry. Okay? By giving 1 carry, 7 lost 1 place. So 7 became as a 6. By taking carry, these 3 become as a 13. Why 13 means here 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. By adding 10 plus 3 ones, we will get 13. Now we have to subtract 5 in 13. Now we are not going to bother about these numbers. Now we have to see the upper numbers. We already scratched these numbers. So in this total 13, we have to subtract 5. How to find the subtraction means after to number 13, we have to start counting till to get number 13. After to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many times I counted? I counted for 8 times. So the difference answer is 8 here. Okay? To clarify your answer, add these 2 numbers. By adding these 2 numbers, if we got these numbers means our solution is correct. This is the way to check the answer. Next, in total 6, I have to subtract 3. What the answer I got here? 3. See here, 3 plus 3, 6. This is the way to check the answer. Here we forget to keep the sign. Understood, children? what happened? We took one carry from the tens place by taking one tens. Now what we got? It become 10 ones. 10 plus 3, 13. Now by giving one carry, 7 lost to one place. So 7 become as a 6 here. Like this. At first we had to write the places as the ones and tens place. Then next step we have to arrange these numbers in the column. Don't forget to keep subtraction sign. Okay. Next step we have to subtract. See children, in 1 we cannot subtract 6. Okay. We are having only one chocolate. It's not possible to give 6 chocolates. So what we have to do? We have to take carry from the tens place. By taking carry, what happens here? 1 become as 11. Always we have to add 10 to the middle end. By taking carry, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the middle end. 1 is the middle end. 1 plus 10 is 11. By giving the carry, 8 lost 1 place. So 8 become as a 7. Okay. Now 6, after to 6, we have to count to get till 11. After to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 is the difference. Now in 7 subtract 6, otherwise after to 6 count for one time we will get 7. The difference is 1 here. How to read? Here 81 minus 66 is 50. Now in 2 we cannot subtract 5. So we will regroup by making this 2 as a 12. How means? By taking carry 8 become as a 9 become as a 8. What we did? We took carry. By taking the carry 2 became 10 and by giving the carry 9 became 8 here. It lost one place. Now after to 7, after to 5, count till 12. The difference what we will get? 7 we will get. After to 2, count till 8. We will count for 6 times. So the difference is 67. Next, see here, we will change this number as a 8. You take this as a 8. Now, in 6 we cannot subtract it. Okay, why? Because 6 is a smaller number. We cannot subtract smaller number, bigger number in a smaller number. Don't subtract 8 minus 6. Always in a first number we have to subtract the second number. Don't get confused children. In this total number we have to subtract the subtrahend. Okay, we cannot subtract bigger number in a smaller number. So we have to regroup this 6 as 60. How this 6 becomes 60 means? By making this 7 as a 6. Here we have to add 10 to the ones place and we have to subtract 1 to the tens place. By adding 10 to ones place we got 16. By subtracting 1 in tens, 7 became as a 6. Here after to 8 till 16 we will get 6. After to 3, the answer is 8. Means after to 8 we have to count till to get 16. After to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many times we counted? 8 times. We have to count to get till 16. Next, after to 3, count till get 3. Count till get 6. How many times we counted? We counted for 3 times. How to clarify your answer means we have to add these two numbers. Either to check you did correct or not, what you have to do children? You have to add these two numbers. 8 plus 8, 16. 3 plus 3, 6. So our solution is correct. By this we have to check our answer. You have to copy down in your notebook these 4 problems at one time. Then we will see see some more problems which is present in the textbook, page number 103. See children, page number 103. We already learned same example on the board. What we did? We regrouped 3 as a 13 and by making 7 as a 6. See here, regroup 7 tens and 3 ones. How we had to regroup? As a 6 tens and 13 ones. We had to take one carry from the tens place. It became as a 13 and by giving carry 7 became 6. Next, one example I will show it to you. In total 1, we cannot subtract 5. In this number, we have to subtract the subtrahend. This is minuend, this is subtrahend. In 1, we cannot subtract 5. We have to regroup by making 1 as 11 and the 7 as 6. Count the number after 2, 5 to till get 11. After 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many times we counted? 6 times. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We counted for 4 times. Like this, we had to find the subtraction answer. Next, we had to regroup this 2 as a 12. How we regroup? By making this 6 as a 5. Always we had to add 10 to 1s and subtract 1 to 10s. This you had to remember. After 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We counted for 5 times. After 2, 1, we had to count till to get 5. After 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times we counted? 4 times. 45 is the difference. Understood children? Like this. Solve for remaining all. This is homework for you. Okay? At first solve in the textbook, then you had to resolve it in notebook. Okay, do it very properly. Send it. Bye.